Blockchain is slow.
Prepare for launch. 3, 2, 1.
You might have been told that transferring money using Bitcoin is fast and can be done within minutes. Yes, that's correct. But speed is a relative concept. When compared with the current banking system, which can take up to a week to clear an overseas transaction, Bitcoin is fast, no doubt. However, if you compare it to local bank-to-bank transfer, which can be done instantly, it is slow. Also, when comparing it to paying cash over the counter, paying with Bitcoin is definitely slower. Imagine if you were to pay for a tub of ice cream at a convenience store with Bitcoin, and there is a line of people behind you waiting together with you for your transactions to be included in a block. That could be a bit nerve-wracking and embarrassing. Could it potentially take up to minutes for transactions to get through? There are a few reasons. First, remember that in one of the previous videos we mentioned that every node in the network will keep a copy of all the transactions. When a transaction is sent to the blockchain network, it will be duplicated to all the nodes for verification. This itself takes time. Secondly, take Bitcoin as an example. Each block is confirmed at an average of 10 minutes, which means potentially you may need to wait for about 10 minutes for another block to be formed with your transactions included, especially if a block have just been formed before you send in your transaction. Even if you are lucky that a block is formed right after you send in your transaction, there is another issue that you might need to be aware of. Are you referring to the potential rollback? You are right. Bitcoin is using proof of work as its consensus protocol. There could be two nodes in the Bitcoin blockchain network that managed to attach their proposed blocks to the blockchain and collected the rewards. As there could be only one block after the previous block, one of these newly added blocks will have to be dropped off and the rewards returned. This issue does not happen frequently, and even if it does, it will be resolved around an hour or less for Bitcoin blockchain. That's why for a merchant to ensure that the transactions will not be rolled back, it is better for the merchants to wait for another 6 to 10 blocks confirmations. Does this mean blockchain is not convenient? This is not true. Blockchain is still very efficient in transferring money overseas, for notarization, assets tracking, and many more. It is still very time efficient in most of the cases. You just need to pick the right tool for the right task. Many blockchains are now looking into a few promising solutions to the above mentioned issues like Lightning Network and Finality. The reason technologies are so enthralling is because there is always a new technology or enhancement to a technology to solve what is not solvable at first. Let's watch out for the development of blockchain as time goes by. Still have questions about blockchain? No worry, subscribe to my channel for more information. Put your questions or a blockchain related topic that you would like me to discuss at the comment section, and I might answer to your questions in one of the videos. See you again soon.